Who likes a mystery makeup box? This is an eBay box. If you want to see what's inside, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel and I hope everybody's feeling very well. So today I have an eBay makeup mystery box to unbox and look at the contents and see whether we got our money's worth. Who knows? Before we get into the video, just to let you know, there is a new giveaway up. I will link the video for that down below if you want to enter. And if you haven't already, then please consider subscribing. Okie dokie, so this mystery box that I brought, it was on eBay. They are advertising it as Beauty and Makeup Gift Mystery Bundle, 25 items, free P&P, gift boxed, see below. The description of the box was a minimum of 25 items to include at least 3 branded items. You get free postage and packaging, and I only pay $19.99. Expectations. So I'm expecting 25 items. I'm expecting at least three branded items. So quick lip look. I mean, I have had a quick look in here. A little bit disappointed. I've got a colossal amount of lipsticks, lip products. Some of them are sealed, some of them are not. So the ones that are not sealed, I don't think I'll actually be using. Some of them are tester brands. Yeah, all kind of different stuff. So I'm going to take the box out. Sorry about the noise. And we will start with items. So the first item here is a baby balm and cheek blush. This has no seal. Just freaks me out a little bit because you just don't know like where it has or hasn't come from. Doesn't look like it has been used, but there is an indentation here. So that's the first one. I'm just going to blink through these. Then we have another one, and this is the same thing, but this one is sealed. So this one I will keep. And I would expect brand new items to be sealed, at least a good proportion of them. And that is the colour there. Yeah, it seems quite nice. A little bit of colour payoff, but not much. Okay, so keep pile over there. Then we have this, some moisturising lip glitter. This had tester written on it here. And the make of this is by Collection. Colour doesn't look like it has been used, to be fair, and that's the colour there. Then have a nail varnish. This is by Image. It's like a bronzy glitter nail varnish. We have another nail varnish. This is a French manicure even. This is by Miss Sporty. Another. This is by Colour Emotion, Classic Effect. Nice blue one. And we have another one. Same Colour Emotion. This is a jadey kind of green colour. We have what looks like a lip gloss. This is by Image. Again, no seal. And that is that. Okay, and we have another one of these lip. Oh, this is contouring, and this again is by Collection. It's hard to say whether this has been used. I feel like it has on the tip, and that's the colour there. Have a matte lip butter here. This is again by Collection. This again looks like it's been used on the tip. And that's the colour there. It's a pretty colour. It's the colour I would have used. Okay, then we have Wild Hot Lacquer. This is by Maybelline. This is what they call a high branded item. This does have a safety safety label. Sorry, couldn't think. And I've just broken it by opening it, so the trouble is the colour's a bit, I mean, it's okay. That's it there. Okie dokie. Then have a lipstick by Deluxe. No safety on it. I can tell this has not been used. Nice colour. It's alright. Then we have a, what's this? This is an eyeshadow pencil. This is by Collection again. No seal. God, that didn't even want to come out. It's here. Okay, then we have another tester product. This is again by Collection, and this is a eyebrow powder. So it's tester on here. Oh, I'm going to do it, unscrew it. And then it is very dry and I would say used up. Not great. Okie dokie. We then have another collection. This is called Extreme Bold. This is a 24-hour felt tip liner. Which is that? Which I'm assuming is in black. Yes, it is black. No safety. And let's pop this here. Well, it comes out quite well. I like the tip on this. Don't know if you guys can see, but it's thin. Okie dokie. We then have another eyeshadow pencil. This again is, I think, Collection. Again, no safety tip, and it's not going to show up. I mean, God. Oh, and I've actually snapped it off, so there it is, just there. Did show up, to be fair. And this one we have lip primer. This is again by Collection, primed and ready. And this has definitely been used. You can tell the tips are flat. If it's not been used, it's very pointy and it's very like glossy looking. And there's nothing to see with that. It's just basically like a balm and it twizzles up here. But yeah, you can see it's been used, and I'd say it's been used a good few times too. Okay, then by Collection again, we have a Velvet Kiss Moisturizing Lip Cream. Very vibrant. Again, this looks really dry. Swatch is okay though. Quite patchy. And it actually feels like it's empty. There doesn't actually feel like there's any product in there. Okay, next we have another nail varnish. This is by Colour Show. This is by Maybelline. We then have another Collection item. This is called Deluxe Lip Lacquer. What's this? Not sealed. And this is very gloopy. I'd say this is probably a lip gloss rather than a lacquer, whatever they said. It's this one here. We then have a Image Whipped Eyeshadow Mousse, beautiful brown. Looks like this. Again, no safety on it. And inside is that. It's quite nice, but I don't know. It looks like somebody has dipped their fingers in it, but it's, oh, since fell out. Okay. It's this one here, if you can see it, guys. We then have another Image eyeshadow. There. not sealed. I can tell this has not been used because there's literally no fingerprints on it. It's a kind of a grey, very muted grey colour that doesn't really have any colour on it. Okay. Then we have a couple of lip pencils. This has not been opened. This is by, who's this by? So that's my 3 branded products we've had. This is a lip liner. This is by Collection. This looks brand new. Still not sealed though. This is a Collection Tester Colour Match Foundation in the colour Cool Beige. It's Maybelline High Branded. We've got a Maybelline Nail Varnish, a Maybelline, no, Revlon eyeliner. So that's my 20 quid, guys. I need you to leave in the comments whether you think this is worth £19.99. So I feel like we've got used products. Few and far between were actually sealed. So I feel a little bit higher than high street. Nothing wrong with high street brands because they use them all the time. I'm just saying that from that advert, they were saying that they were 3 high quality, high branded names. So I kind of think this is not worth 20 quid. They don't take the makeup back. They won't honour refunds. They do give you the option that if you're not happy with your box to actually get in contact with them before you would contact eBay. To be honest, I ain't gonna bother, but lessons learnt and all that good stuff. That's the only thing about eBay as well, is you can't actually, I don't know if there is a way, like Amazon, when you buy something from Amazon, yes, you have to read between the lines and see which are honest reviews and not, but at least you do have some to look at. With eBay, I find that not a lot of people leave the feedback where you can actually see what people are saying about particular boxes, items, or anything that you actually buy from eBay. But you know, there's some losers, there's some winners. I've got another one coming. I ordered that from Etsy. I've been talking to her via email. She seems a really, really nice seller, so fingers crossed that will be a really good box. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to consider subscribing. I would really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'll leave the link for the video down below. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.